Did you know that something as simple as a well-loved couch or a sentimental wall color could make it harder for buyers to see your home as their future home? Today, I'm exploring how stepping back and making small adjustments can transform how buyers see your home and lead to quicker, better offers. Hey there, I'm Dawn D'Amico, your trusted realtor, and welcome to Maximize Your Home. Whether you're selling, buying, or just sprucing up your space, I'm here to share the best tips and tricks. So hit that like button and subscribe so you don't lose out down the road. Let's talk about something that can make or break your home sale. Staging. Picture this. You've lived in your home for years. It's cozy. It's yours. And that couch that's seen one too many family movie nights, it just works for you. But here's the reality check. When you're selling your home, you're not selling your lifestyle. You're selling a product, and that product needs to appeal to buyers. Here's what I mean. Living in your home is all about your comfort and personality. Staging, on the other hand, is about creating a space that buyers can see themselves living in. It's not about showcasing your kid's art gallery on the fridge. It's about making the space feel open, fresh, and neutral. Let me tell you a quick story. I worked with a client who was reluctant to make any changes. They had a well-loved vibe, and by that I mean their living room doubled as an office, a gym, and occasionally a doggy daycare. After some convincing, they agreed to try staging. At first, my clients were skeptical, but when the pros were done working their magic and they stepped into the freshly staged space, their jaws dropped. The wife even said, "Why didn't we do this years ago?" And the husband admitted it felt like a completely new home. The results? Multiple offers and a sale over the asking price. Not bad for a little extra effort, right? Now, I'm not saying every home needs professional staging. Sometimes it's as simple as decluttering, rearranging furniture, or adding a fresh coat of paint. Trust me, these small changes can make a huge difference. When buyers walk in, they should be able to picture their lives in the home. Here's the bottom line. To get offers rolling in, buyers need to feel at home in your home. So if you're thinking about selling, take a step back and think about how to show off your home's full potential. Need help figuring out where to start? Contact me today and let's talk about how to make your home shine for potential buyers. Let's dive into one of the trickiest parts of selling your home: pricing it right. I once worked with a client who believed his home was worth much more than the market suggested. Now, I get it. It's hard not to be emotionally invested. He had spent years in that home. It was full of memories, and to him, it was priceless. But here's the challenge. Buyers don't share that same emotional connection. They're looking at features, updates, and how the house compares to others in the neighborhood. My client had seen what other homes in the area were selling for, but what he overlooked was that those homes had open concept layouts, updated kitchens, and lush landscaping. His home had been heavily lived in. It had charm and personality, but it lacked modern touches buyers in his area were expecting. But my client was not convinced. He felt strongly that his home's charm would win buyers over. So we listed it at his price. The first week, nothing. Showings trickled in, but the feedback was consistent. Great house, but overpriced. After 2 weeks, I sat down with my client again. I told him the buyers are speaking. They're comparing your home to others with more amenities and lower price tags. To compete, we will need to adjust. To his credit, he trusted the process and agreed to lower the price to reflect the market. And wouldn't you know it, the moment we made the adjustment, the interest picked up. We had multiple showings and received an offer that was right in line with the new price. So what's the takeaway? Pricing isn't about sentiment, it's about strategy. When you set a realistic price, you attract serious buyers who are ready to make an offer. If you're still unsure about where to start, that's what I'm here for. Let's talk about how to position your home to sell quickly and at the best possible price. Let's talk about something we don't always discuss when selling a home: the emotional side of it. Selling a house isn't just about a financial transaction. It is a big emotional step. It's the place where you've celebrated birthdays, watched your kids grow, and had your favorite cup of coffee every morning in that perfect sunny spot in the kitchen. Letting go is hard. I worked with a client recently who was struggling with this exact thing. They'd lived in their home for decades and were attached to every detail. One of the toughest moments moments came during this staging process. We needed to make changes like painting over the bright red accent wall. My client was hesitant at first, but once we softened the space with neutral tones, the house started to feel like a blank canvas that buyers could picture as their future home. Don't take things personally. Remember the task at hand, getting the home sold. Professional stagers or real estate agents can step in to advise on what to keep and what to pack away. It's not about erasing your home's personality. It's about helping potential buyers see their own lives in the space. Sometimes it's as simple as rearranging furniture or packing away a few sentimental items to create that open, inviting feel. And when it came to pricing, my client wanted to price the home based on their emotional connection to it. But I reminded them that buyers are looking at the market value and other nearby sales. And after some tough but honest conversations, we found a price that made sense for the market. Here's what I always tell my clients. Selling is about starting the next chapter. It's okay to feel sentimental, but don't let those emotions hold you back. Your memories go with you. They're not tied to walls or floors. And when you're ready, I'm here to help you navigate the process with empathy and expertise. Together, we'll make it as smooth as possible. Thanks for spending time with me here on Maximize Your Home. We've covered a lot, whether it's understanding the emotional side of selling, preparing your home for buyers, or setting a strategy that works in today's market. If this gave you some fresh ideas or helped you feel more confident about your next steps, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to make the most of your sale. And as always, if you have questions or just want to chat about your own selling journey, drop a comment below and let's keep maximizing your home together.